Mama wakwaba wafreme ajoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Twaba. Koka di obetima ya was a woofree crow until you are disgrace. Woofree crow until you are disgrace. Theo, as some NDC Eka said, because Baumia is from the northern region, it will be a disgrace. So baby di mine so. And it's all your northern region ni. Now say you are still following the NDC to go and vote against your own brother. Now vote for Ghana's development. There, na told you wa. Na mum ko savannah. Or say ko savannah region. Eho. You need
to do everything possible to ensure that that son of yours, that is an absolute disgrace and a humiliation to all of you.
Well, we say politically, say we nyansa, who political wisdom, unka asem we kra ewo obi ete me ma wo meba ne nye kra no wa be gina mi fie ka chem se me ba ne disgrace. Now we eba our own son who is corrupt free. Nipa otimide ne se sini boka se me corrupt. Mahama ye bisan say have you ever taken bribe? Are you corrupt or as a president or as Mahama? Which of them? That means in any of the two, no, you are what is bribe that? When Timanfa could do and say corruption, no, was it as a president or as normal Mahama? Now which of them now bribe a ye? Enti wako jina ni fie ka kire or no say ne nkrofo say oye nimguasi ni in this case you know northern region people you are a disgrace NDC na eka ene mo enyeme na make video no ene wo ho no enu nti mo nhwe na mo nto aba entia NDC
rises to become the president of this country. You have been blessed to have a son who can be trusted, a son who has been known as the one who, like Kwame Nkrumah and Rawlings and Prof Mills, built Ghana. Use little resources.
Mahama, only 4 years obedi adie. Okobo besia 25 billion. Only 4 years. Mahama be president, you know. 25 billion. The facts are there. Facts and figures don't lie. We are in this near one kasa. Tenase call IMF www.imf.com. Okwa search in their search no Bogana. Ghana besia ya bo nyina ewo IMF ebe yaba any year ye bo besia no ubehu na wa hu say John Mahama na ma pesa modene ba na dada na the same old story MPP aman governance pa eno no NDC ato media ni nyina yo modia enti ukotena ho na se wo kasatia government na chese ekwa akiri because o mato social media no fa eno o masa fa kuntuna se akoto tonkrofo bi mo mo de sika ehun ehia o mo chen o man Ghana no ama o mo nso so age edima o mo ba entro no a ekoso na no o ma beto eja edi egum de ntia meka sa ne se yen yemu bi wo ho o ma contact ye se de nke ye kasa no ye dane bo mo ho anko mbe ma ye more views followers ni ade bosumi o mbe ma ye say but se me beji sika no na midi ewie na me betwa ntro no obi kogina so to abana Ghana se ya ma ye nchirimba papa anase ma ye o mo bone. So that's it. And the media, my card be as a sicano me pepa. Nanso me buy no, will be any how this car qua samado. Major wako, me fame quan passo in your misika. That's the only route. Hard way, the only way. Me fame quan passo no my misika. And the best way to enjoy money is to work hard for it. Inti kwentiesi kade, fame wo de be fama kwema unya me just say fakura. What I say, Enti tribal politics as about that make before me day sasem way ebetwa mu no NDC asha se NMPP form pewe mu MPP form pewe mu MPP form pewe mu ena mo ye ya bibia so time mre ne de ye adwuma ebre ni du ye no MPP etimi akwakoyi Northerner who is a Muslim wo mo kro mo kasa wo nya bi da a Muslim Northerner NDC wo nya bi da enso no omo keka eba ye na omo sikai ade na amfa se se de yanko hobim and they say the omo person omo ye ne say omo ko northern part of Ghana person omo kwachem because omo say Bawumia sent no we say MPP no baby omo stronghold pa northern part, the northern part of Ghana, Zongo communities and Volta. And this is stronghold pa no. And omo who say Bawumia and omo de see ani wo northern party honum no ntino je say no tribal politics and omo nam soro na omo ye. Amebo video akira wo nti de men ko ba bia je share be ma video a NDC for ejina honum e tribal politics e bam se Bawumia de ofri northern region na northern region for ye nim guase e ma o my Ghana enti no ma omon savannah for no nto aba e ma obi ofri northern region. This is what NDC eka. Na se wo ye political party a ye pass ndua mahama begina ho e na me kona asundue wo sremu ho nso me sole ye ntokwa aba na wakotena akire suso jagumu a ye behwe enti men kwa akire kwa me be bo video no e de akire wo so hu enti se mo ye political party na mo botae nyina ne se mo de mo behwe se pep video no eni mo behwe se pepe any asumdue ebi ntina baby said be amubenya kwan survival dia na o my Ghana moma ye nyina yeni enna ho so o my na said the make an MPP NDC travel well e Zongo communities na NDC baye no before Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebeba na northern part of Ghana no NDC seat NDC kita MPP kita only 2 seats e wo ho Bawumia baye no say NDC ekita 15 MPP ekita 16 Bawumia ebaye no because northern people na who say ye nto aba ma se wo free ekrom keke ye to aba ama obi a owonim de sebi ewa adwen a ebeboa ye nyina enti omo achemusa NDC ehun say omo lusu ewo Zongo communities no any northern part of Ghana enti listen to what their omo fifi ebekaye listen who dey team.
And these two people happen to come from the northern part of Ghana. One from the Savannah region, the other one from the northeast. Both of them original northern Ghana. Whereas one is known as a liar who can never tell the truth. The other one can be trusted for what he promises to give you.
I think that Hanum there now he was talking about John Dramani Mahama. And the Mummy Nkoso or describe Mahama actually woman say who can never speak the truth. Nipa wa no say as gracia obo betwam what hu gidi. Na wu say adwane ba yire yin so nsa dem awudi. Na akwa we ogina ho na nkasa what credibility no war no be ka kire obi say obi e liar. Cromfo like this man. As a see wono ye de na kwagina court ambulance otimi achinchim Ghana nsa e de eto ye chiji Ghana 3 million euros so akwakoto ambulance aba ene onuado van no mkoto ya paracetamol kura nim ye de no kwagina court fifi agina hoyi afi de o pache wo court obetua ka no nti wonwia o man ni sika nke de court house